Welcome. Discover legitimate work from home jobs, side hustles, and online earning opportunities. Subscribe and start earning from home.
Hi guys! Sa video ito guys, pag-uusapan natin itong online ESL na chat-based online ESL. So ito ang get paid to chat with Korean adults, students, whether you're an experienced teacher or brand new into the field. Sorry. Apply today and start making a difference while earning money. So let's choose your own schedule, work from home, support team and full training, monthly payment, new and exciting team, bonuses, room to grow. So let's click apply now. So ito yung application letter nila guys. Welcome to the tutor application. Ito yung pipill upan natin, full name, email address, country residence, nationality, and do you have backups? And select next. Balik muna tayo ha. So, FAQ muna tayo. Tingnan natin. So, welcome to Fodo teacher. So, what is the pay? When can I work? So tutor pay is based on multiple factors including teaching experience, availability, proficiency, performance and student feedback, longevity and commitment, bonus and opportunities. When can I work? So our platform offers 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. the following day Korean standard. You have the flexibility to open your schedule as prefer. We also require a regular based schedule but understand the need for flexibility. You can make hourly, daily, and weekly edits to your schedule. So are there any penalties for being late or absent? We understand that life happens, but we ask teachers to provide as much notice as possible if they cannot attend a class. So in the event of missed classes or teacher-related cancellation, this is a penalty for every 1% of classes missed a calendar month. The pay rate per class is reduced by 150 KRW. So Korean, I don't know. Siguro Korean kasi. So how do I get paid? So payment are made in USD by a bank transfer. We recommend checking with your bank to ensure they can receive USD. You will be paid for all class starts within a calendar month. Please note that international bank transfer can take between 3 to 5 business days to process. Do I need commitment to a long-term contract? Our contract are 6 months long and can be renewed if both parties agree. There is no mandatory notice period, so you can leave at any time, though we do appreciate advance notice. So teaching and student who will teach. So most of our students are adults, though a small number of children also use the platform. So what are the lessons like? Lessons last for 15 minutes to 25 minutes. Our platform provides the entire curriculum. Students select their own level. We also offer resource database. So will I have fixed number of students? No, student book classes based on available time slot rather than specific teacher. This means you will work with different students each class. So we offer technical support. If you encounter challenging students in lesson contents, our friendly support team is always available to assist you, to guide you. So is there any non-teaching task to complete? You are not required to create lesson plans, write after class lesson notes, or complete class reports. Your primary responsibility is to teach the class. You will be asked to give feedback. What classrooms are the class held on? So classes are conducted on your own custom-built platform, which is audio only, no video. So the platform is fully interactive, allowing teacher to write, draw, and guide students using a variety of interactive tools. When are your peak times? So we experience the highest demand during weekdays evening, Saturday morning and evening, and all day Sunday. For its teachers looking to maximize their class booking, we recommend making Sundays part of your schedule. So application and requirements. What are the qualifications? So we do not require a TOEFL test or any specific certification, nor we require previous teaching experience. While these qualifications are a plus. So we focus on hiring teachers with positive can-do attitudes who are eager to help students to learn. So how to apply? You can apply directly on our website, tutorpodospeaking.com. Due to high demand, please allow up to 4 weeks for us to review your application. So the career growth opportunities. So, are there any opportunities for career progression? Yes, there are opportunities to pay increases with top tutors. So, 3,200 KRW per 25 minutes. So, is there any training provided? Yes, we offer online training to help get familiar with our platform. The training covers how to use curriculum and how to create an engaging and productive learning experience for your students. So ito yung ano niya, have any question, don't hesitate to ask us on Lee Teacher HRD company that I don't know. Basta, yun lang, you can um, do your own research, search photo. This is a chat-based ESL, no video. So, yun lang. And please don't forget to like and subscribe sa akin channel for more um, video regarding ESL, work from home job, and then mamimili din po ako ng mabibigyan ng 50 pesos sa bagong subscriber. So, thank you. See you on my next video.